Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Usha Sunshine. Today, Usha Sunshine is presenting you the Indian Judiciary. So, what is a judiciary? The judiciary is the organ of government which is responsible for settling disputes and establishing laws and orders. It also protects the rights of an individual. The existence of judiciary is an essential feature of democracy. Hey, you know this? That this system is vested with the power to ensure justice, fairness, and the rule of law. So then, the need and importance of judiciary. The main responsibilities of judiciary are settlements of disputes, interpretation of the constitution, protection of fundamental rights, establish the rule of law, and advisory jurisdiction. So now, the structure of judiciary. You know that our Indian judiciary is independent, integrated, and unified. A citizen of India can appeal to a higher court if he or she is not satisfied with the judgments of a lower court. In India, the judicial system is divided into three levels. They are the Supreme Court, the High Court, and the District Courts. So, this is the Supreme Court of India. Then, these are some of the high courts in India. Yeah, finally, then this is District Court of Visakhapatnam. So, actually, there is each district court for each district. But this picture is related to the District Court of Visakhapatnam. So, Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the highest court which is located in New Delhi. So, it is the highest court of India. It is headed by the Chief Justice and can have no more than 30 judges appointed by the President of India. So there are three types of jurisdictions that the Supreme Court has. So those are original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction, and advisory jurisdiction. Then the high courts. High courts are placed under the Supreme Court. Most of the states in India have high courts. It is the highest court of the state. And then there are 25 high courts for which they serve 28 states, 8 union territories, and 1 national capital region. So then coming to district courts. These district courts lie under the High Court. Every district has a separate court which is presided by the district judges. It is the highest court of the district. You know this that each district has a district court. Then the district courts and the courts below to those are called the subordinate courts. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Usha Sunshine. Thank you.